Hello and welcome to the International School of Traders. My name is Mbogam Tiane, and today I'll be showing you what are the opportunities we are having this week. What are we trading this week? And that is what I'm answering on this video. My name is Mbogam Tiane, once again from the International School of Traders. If it's your first time, like and comment on this video. Where are you joining us from? Just comment in the comment section below and tell us where you're joining us from. Number two, okay, like this page and also follow it. Please do subscribe to this page once again. Okay, cool stuff. There's a lot of things that are expected next week in terms of the fundamentals and the news, but we are going to be discussing that on a daily basis today. I'll be showing you what is expected on the technical side of things. I'm going to start off with gold, right? We have been looking at gold for quite a while now, and most of you understand what we are looking at when we are looking at gold. Some, and which is one of the ideas that I presented here, are looking at a potential head and shoulders situation, and we are seeing some sort of signs here that are beginning to show us that there is a high probability of these head and shoulders being formed, and this being the neckline, some sort, or maybe something like that. And then markets, use this to bounce and then continue or going all the way up. Okay, awesome stuff. Let me just clear all drawings. But yeah, so those are some of the things that we are looking at. But since we are under this beautiful resistance right here, there is also another chance of markets going towards the downside one more time before even climbing top. So there is that possibility you need to bear in mind. Okay, cool stuff. Now let us go and check some couple some fewer things on a smaller time frame, the 4 hour time frame on XAUSD, which is gold. Now XAUSD has been in trouble for quite a while, and we have been studying XAUSD. By the way, after I record this video, I've already prepared the study of gold for the International School of Traders. I want to show you something on gold. But before we go there, let me show you according to price action, right? Okay, cool. So on 1 hour time frame, we do have this beautiful bullish structure that we are having next or just below our resistance right here. So I'm ready to buy just above here, above these zones towards the top side if market does come towards the downside, right? Cool. And I don't want to shy away from the idea of a possible head and shoulders, which may be mentioned in this specific way, market going down. I am not ignorant of that one too, so I am able to look at that one. But I'd really love to dive down into 15 minutes. I'm not saying that we are going to be able to buy this one from Monday moving forward, but there are a couple of things that we can note on a 15-minute time frame. If markets come down to these particular zones that I've highlighted here, just below here, and bounce, go to the top side, or maybe even go here and bounce to the top side, those are the possible moves that we are looking at currently in. Please excuse me, I haven't slept, guys, and it's 7:30. I haven't slept. I had a busy Saturday, and then I had to catch up on some of the things during the night. There was sport, there was everything during the night, so I had to be up. Okay, cool stuff. CAD CHF is one of the beautiful trades that we have been trading and we have traded before. It has given us some beautiful profit. Now, let me quickly go to 4 hour time frame On a daily time frame, I just quickly highlighted some key zones and levels here that we can look at. Now, let me just go to a 4-hour time frame, right? This meltdown in the market, this meltdown was, a break, some sort of a structure, which market now the market is expected to at least retest some of these levels right here and then begin to go towards the downside once again. I believe so. I believe so. So that is one of the levels that is significant. Other than that, there are some other levels just higher than us and then the previous one. But I am looking to go short on this one, which is going towards the downside. Okay, and let me quickly clear drawings. Cool stuff. Now, what am I looking for? I am going for Euro USD. Euro USD. Let us check out Euro USD. Euro USD. Oh, it's not you. This one is not Euro USD. It's actually Euro CAD on a 1 hour time frame. Let's go back to a daily time frame first. So daily time frame is pretty much simple in terms of what it's looking or how things are looking here. On Euro CAD, market is bearish for quite some time now. We've had a beautiful, lower lows and lower highs and that situation. And then we had a market which was like more like ranging here, right? Bouncing towards the top side, downside, top side. And market has protruded here. And I don't wanna fall for the idea of saying it's gonna bounce and then go all the way up. That idea is possible, but I don't wanna fall for it. This is the idea that I would love to praise, which is the one on a 1 hour time frame where we are seeing a possible move that can uh, you know uh, break towards the downside and then continue towards the top side. This one, break towards the downside and then continue towards the top side. Okay. Euro USD is one of the beautiful trades that we have to talk about, since I have been talking about, GBP USD on Thursday and Friday. Cool. So, I really believe that if we look at a 1 hour daily time frame, is the one that is giving us, an assurance of what may may happen. Now, this is what may happen, and I expect this. I expect, markets changing direction and going towards, but it is not 100%. It's not 100% idea. There is also another opportunity for the sellers in this particular case. So it's very, very important to consider some key levels here on a daily time frame. Let me just clear some things here, and then go to a 4 hour time frame. There's some key levels there that I've marked out. This could be our target one, which is take profit one, target two, which is take profit two. Then we use some, some small stop loss right here, or even lower than this, but making sure that we are using risk management in this particular case. Okay, good stuff. Now, USDCHF, let me just go to a bigger time frame, daily time frame. So daily time frame has been, pretty much rough in terms of creating its own structure, but we know that this is a bearish market, right? Cool. Now let us look at 4 hour time frame. A 4 hour time frame is expected. For according to me, this is an expectation. I don't know about guys. This is an expectation. This is an expectation. Okay, cool stuff. Now, as we still continue, please just let me know in the comments which trade or which setup you want to see on Tuesday, Monday, weekly. Tuesday market watch, or day market watch in that particular case. So, which pairs do you want us to trade? Which pairs do you want me to cover here? And I will cover the cryptocurrency. I am going to cover it here. Okay, let's continue. about GBP USD. GBP USD. GBP USD is pretty much clear in terms of where we're going, and I'm seeing these right here. This market has protruded. I'm expecting market to turn around and continue towards the top side. That is my expectation on GBP USD. Okay, good stuff. And then I change this. Cool stuff. And ADJPY, there's nothing much. We killed some profits over the last couple of days, but I believe this can be another move now. In terms, when you look at a daily, I mean, on a daily, it's not daily time, 4 hour time frame, there's a high probability of this move that I've drawn here, market protruding towards the top side, then coming back into structure, and then might go all the way up. Then there's also USDJPY, guys. USDJPY is a beautiful setup. I will discuss with you guys on the group, but on our time frame, it is pretty much clear that if it doesn't turn here, it's gonna turn, go all the way down. Now, there is not my favorite right now. Mzala. Yes, yes, a couple of funds on side, but also, be careful when you're trading ZAR. I mean, USD ZAR. Do it with C trading. Good stuff. Now, let me check on USD CAD. USD CAD is doing good. GBP CAD is doing good. And the DCAD. And the DCAD is the one that should be monitored, guys. This is the expectation. I'm not going to explain a lot of things. This is the expectation. If markets, I think they will turn around and then go all the way up, right? This is a possible move. One of the possible. Okay, cool. And then there is Euro AUD, which I'm also convinced that it should come down as we have recognized another member as a citizen. Okay, cool. Cool. So this is the expectation. Let us see how things go. Now, there's a couple of things. AUD, Euro JPY. And yeah. Okay, cool stuff. That's all for today. Guys, please do enjoy your last day of the weekend, which is Sunday. Just go and relax and have a beautiful Sunday. This is yours. Love you so much. Shalom.